Oh yeah, you just claimed it for him, yeah. Nah, but we do need him to get a cabin. That means no one's sleeping in fucking tents. I need to run into Scorpion. I haven't run into him yet. I'm assuming our schedules are just completely fucked, right? Do it. This Sunday I won't be able to play till late because my brother's coming to visit. To eat some footy cord. Like yourself, have a very different work hours, yeah. I was doing zero gun until lore stuff happened and my group made me use a pistol, yeah. Yeah, my character, the only reason why my character isn't using another gun, even though he has been trained in using them, is because he got shot in the shoulder and finds it hard to hold a rifle stably, like, you know, kind of shaky. So, can't really hold a rifle stably or, you know, or shoot anything too heavy without putting damage to a shoulder. So I'm going to be using pistol. Only knife and stuff would be difficult as fuck. Especially with how people roleplay. At least for my experience. The moment I met someone, they dropped guns at my feet the moment they saw me. They're like, hey, why aren't you using guns? You should use guns, big guns. Had a bat to get to my base day one, but I put it up and had zero weapons at all. Damn. Like no knife or anything? What the fuck? I could not do that. I'm gonna have to meet my character. Oh yeah, that sounds crazy though. Must be a pacifist or something. There's at least peak pacifist behavior. That sounds crazy though. Because like I'm finding it hard as fuck to just use pistol only.